Warm welcome, my dear children. This is your Max Ma'am Madhumita from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today we are going to continue about the fraction topic. In before class we have done the addition of fraction. In today's class we are going to continue the subtraction of fraction. How we will do the subtraction of fraction? Number 1. Step 1, once the denominator is same, simply subtract the numerator. We already done that in the addition. If the denominator is same, we will just add the numerator. The second point, the denominator of the required fraction is the common denominator of the given fraction. If the denominator is same, we will just consider the denominator as the common denominator. Now we will see some examples. See here, my dear, they are given two sums example. First one, 8 by 17 minus 5 by 17. So the first step we want to check is whether the denominator is same or not. Yes, it is in the like fraction. Both the denominators are same. So we will directly subtract the numerator. The denominator is same. So we will put the common denominator. Now we want to subtract the numerator. See the numerator, 8 minus 5. Yes, my dears, we want to keep the 8 fingers and we want to ignore the 5 fingers. What will be the remaining? 1, 2 and 3. So the remaining will be the 3. So the answer is 3 by 17. It is the common denominator. Next, see the next example, my dear. 15 by 23, 14 by 23. We already know that we want to check the denominator whether it is same or not. So, it is same denominator as 23. So, we want to put the common denominator 23. Yes, now we want to subtract the numerator. 15 minus 14. Yes. If you subtract 15 minus 14, what we will get? It is in the two numbers. So, we will subtract 15 minus 14. First, we will consider the first number. See the first number, 5, 4. If we subtract 5 and 4, 5. You want to close the 4 fingers. The remaining will be the 1. If you subtract 1, 1. If you subtract 1 with 1 means it will get 0. So, the remaining answer is 1. So, the answer is 1 by 23. Yes, my dear, it is very simple. It is just like the addition. Subtraction also same like the addition. Now we will see the types of fractions. In types of fractions, we are having proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. What is mean by proper fraction, my dear? Proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it is called as a proper fraction. What is improper fraction? When the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. When the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator is called as a improper fraction. What is mean by mixed fraction, my dear? Mixed fraction, it is consists of the whole number. It consists of the whole number and a proper fraction. Now, see, they given some examples for the proper fraction. See here, my dear. 3 by 14, 5 by 16, 11 by 20, 21 by 25. See here, they given 3 by 4. So, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. 5 by 6, numerator is smaller than the denominator. 11 by 20 also, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Like that, they given the example for improper fraction. See this 3 by 2. It is greater than the denominator. The numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 by 4 also, the numerator is greater than the denominator. See here, they given 10 by 10. 10 by 10, which is equal to the denominator. 10 is equal to the 10. So, it is also considered to be as a improper fraction, my dear. See here, they given the whole number for the given fraction, proper fraction or otherwise improper fraction. If we are having the whole number it will be considered as the mixed fraction. See in the picture, my dear, they given they given one circle here. We are divided the circle into 6 parts. The 5 parts is shaded and the 5 is the numerator and the 6 is the denominator. So it is in the proper fraction, it is smallest than the numerator is smallest than the denominator. See the next picture, my dear. They are given 2 circles which is divided into 6 parts and they shaded the whole part for all 6 part in the first picture and they shaded only 2 parts in the second picture. So the first picture is, in the first picture they shaded the 6 parts plus they added the second picture shaded parts 2. So we get 8. So they given the numerator as 8 and denominator as 6. The 6 is common for both the circles, both the circle denominator. Yes, next see this next circle, my dear. They divided 6 parts in both the circles but they shaded whole part. So we put the number 1 as a whole number. And they, in the second circle they are shaded only 2 parts. So we consider that shaded part as a numerator and the whole given part is a denominator. Now we will see some examples, my dears. What is the steps? Now we are going to see some example. Before going into the example, we will see the steps about the mixed numbers to how we will convert the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Step 1. First, multiply the denominator by the whole number. The first step is we want to multiply the denominator by the whole number. The second step is next and then add the product to the numerator. We want to add, while getting the answer, we want to add that answer to the numerator. And after last step, we want to sum the numerator and keep the same as a and the denominator will be remain the same. We will see some example for more clarification, my dear. Now we will see some examples. See the question they given, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. I already gave the steps before that. See the formula, using the step we have converted this formula. See the formula, d into w plus n by d. What is d? D is the denominator, w is the whole number, n is the numerator and d will be the denominator. Yes, we want to multiply the denominator with the whole number and we want to get this from this answer we want to add the numerator and we will get the answer. Now we will do this sum, my dear. Yes, here which is the denominator? Yes, the 4 is the denominator. The 1 is the numerator. And the 2 will be the whole number. Now see here, my dear, the 4 is the denominator and the 1 is the numerator and the 2 is the whole number. We will substitute this in this formula. The 4 is in the denominator and the denominator is 4 and the whole number is 2. So we want to multiply plus, which is the numerator here? It is 1. So see here, they given 4 into 2. So for 2s are, my dear, for 1s are 4, for 2s are 8. Very good. 8 plus 1 by 4. 8 plus 1, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 8 after 9. Very good. So the answer is 9 by 4. Now we will do the next sum. See here, they given 1 7 by 10. Yes, which is here numerator? Very good. It is 7 and the denominator is 10 and the whole number is 1. Now we will substitute in this formula, which is the denominator 10 into, which is the whole number here? 1 plus, which is numerator? 7. So, the denominator is 10. It will remain the same. Now, tell me my dear, 10 ones are? We will tell clearly that 10 ones are 10. 10 plus 7 by 10. If you add 10 plus 7, what we will get? 10 in the mind, 7 in the fingers. 10 after, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Very good. 17 by 10. Yes, my dear, it is very simple to apply in this formula and get the answer. We will see the next topic. First, we have done convert the mixed fraction as improper numbers. Now, we will do this convert improper fraction as mixed numbers. Now, we will change the improper fraction as mixed numbers. What is the first step to do this? Yes, divide the numerator by denominator. They already gave the numerator and denominator. We want to divide the numerator by denominator. Step 2. The quotient is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator and the denominator, the divisor remains the same. Again I am telling, the quotient is the whole number and the remainder will be the numerator and the denominator will remain the same. Now we will see some examples, my dears. See this question, convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction. What is the formula? Q R by D. We already know that Q is the quotient, R is the remainder and D is the denominator. Q is the quotient, R will be the remainder First step is what? We want to divide the numerator by the denominator. Now we will divide, my dear. Yes, 21 divided by 4. Now we already know the 4 tables. Now tell me, my dear, 4 is possible in 4 tables 21 is possible? No, it is not possible. So we want to put the nearest number to the 21 in 4 table. Now tell me the 4 tables. For 1s are 4, for 2s are 8, for 3s are 12, for 4s are 16, for 5s are 20. So 20 is the nearest number to the 21. So we will put 4 5s are 20. If you subtract 21 minus 20, what will be the remaining, my dear? Yes, very good. It is 1. Now, see here, which is your quotient? 5 is your quotient, 1 will be your remainder and 4 will be your divisor or denominator. Now, tell me, substitute this formula and tell me the answer, my dear. Which is our quotient? It will be the whole number. So, the 5 is the whole number and the remainder is the numerator and the denominator will remain the same. So, it is 4. So, we will get 5 1 by 4 as a mixed fraction for 21 by 4. We will see the next sum, my dear. See here, 36 by 5. Now, we will divide 36 by 5. So, in 5 tables, 36 is impossible. It is possible, my dear. No, it is impossible. So, we want to do the nearest number. Now, tell me the 5 tables. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. So, 35 is the nearest number to the 36. 5 7s are 35. So if you subtract 36 minus 35, what we will get the remainder? Very good, it is 1. So the quotient is 7, the remainder is 1 and the denominator or divisor is 5. So we will substitute this in the formula. The quotient will be the whole number and the denominator is 5 and the numerator will be the remainder, no? So it is 1. Yes, my dear, if you done the improper fraction in the division now, we will get the mixed fraction 7 1 by 5. Today we have learnt how to do the subtraction in like fraction, how to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fraction. I hope you all understood this. In the below description, we have added the study material, question bank and self-assessment. Go through the self-assessment. If you have any doubt, go through this video. Thank you, my dear.